Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for December. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies for you and your person. So the first row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to flip if you find that the energies are reversed. One quick disclaimer before we start is please only take what resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate, please go ahead and leave that. Now let's jump in and see what this month has in store for all of you. The first card that I see here is Magician card, Ace of Wands, Two of Swords. Person B here has the World card, the Knight of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Two of Wands, which means that in some cases, it could be that maybe you or this person was dealing with two people at the same time. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have the Magician energy, which means that you have a very strong energy because Magician energy is major arcana. With that energy, you want to go ahead and command all the four elements so that things work out in your favor and things happen the way you would want it to happen. The second card I see here is Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands is the card where you want a new beginning, but it's based more on sex, passion. The third card I see for you is Two of Swords, which means that you're confused. There could be something that's causing a little bit of confusion to you. Now, for some of you, it could be because you are dealing with more than one person. That's the confusion. But for others, it could also be that you are stuck in some situation along with this relationship in your personal life, and that's what is causing a lot of stress and confusion to you. Now, for person B, the first card is the World card. World card means this person needs to end an old chapter in order to begin the new chapter, or in order to go ahead and take this current relationship to the next level. The second card I see is Knight of Cups, which means they need to rush in. They will go ahead and rush in and express their emotions if that is something that they have not done. And the third card I see here is Ace of Swords, which means that there is a new beginning that you can look forward to. This person wants to go ahead and start a new beginning, which is mostly based on the fact that both of you will have a very honest conversation with each other. Now with this, let's see what's the mutual feeling here. The mutual feeling between the two of you is Hierophant, which is Taurus energy. It talks about marriage and commitment. The blockage that I see here is the Emperor energy, which is the Aries card. This means that you're not ready to lead the situation. Both of you are just waiting, thinking that the other person will go ahead and take the first step, and hence you're not taking that lead. The outcome of this relationship this month is the High Priestess, which means that there could be some secret, something that was not discussed will come out, because the High Priestess is the keeper of the secrets. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is the Judgment card, the King of Cups, and the Moon card. The Judgment card means there is a judgment call that this person has taken about this relationship. With the King of Cups, they have emotions for you, but maybe they don't express it to you the way you express emotions. And with the Moon energy, it means that there could be some kind of a secret here. We'll also quickly now see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see is the answers you need are coming. Maybe there were certain kind of situations, or there were some questions that were left unanswered. So you will be getting response to your questions. Okay, so things that were not told to you earlier, you will get those answers now. Now with this, let's quickly also see what's the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Magenta Dyed Agate. The crystal message is, are you seeking unconditional love? You really want others to demonstrate the love they have for you. Show your love for others and know you are loved by many. Allow love be a receptacle of all that is love. Love is your natural state. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel that I put in the description box, and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay stay safe, love yourself first.